Alright, imagine this. You're trying to wrangle a team, juggle projects, and keep your sanity all at the same time. You've heard whispers of this magical tool called Asana, promising to bring order to the chaos. But then, the inevitable question hits you. How much is this magic going to cost? Does it require a dragon's hoard of gold? Or is it a reasonable investment for your sanity? That, my friends, is exactly what we're diving into today. We're not just going to throw numbers at you. We're going to break down Asana's pricing structure, explore what you get for your hard-earned cash, and help you decide if it's the right fit for your team. Let's face it, project management tools are a dime a dozen. You've probably tried a few, maybe even a spreadsheet or two. But Asana stands out for its flexibility and user-friendly interface. It's designed to handle everything from simple to-do lists to complex, multi-departmental projects. But like any good tool, it comes with a price tag. And understanding that price tag is crucial before you jump in. So, before we get into the nitty-gritty of the numbers, let's take a quick look at why Asana is so popular. It's not just about tasks and deadlines. It's about collaboration, communication, and clarity. Asana allows you to visualize your projects, assign responsibilities, and track progress in real time. This level of visibility can be game-changing for teams of all sizes. But, of course, all these features come at a cost. And that cost is what we're here to unravel. Asana offers a tiered pricing structure, which means the price you pay depends on the features you need and the number of team members you have. Let's start with the basics. Asana offers a free plan. Yes, you heard that right, free. This plan is perfect for individuals or small teams just getting started. It includes basic task management, list views, calendar views, and up to 15 teammates. It's a great way to dip your toes into the Asana waters and see if it's a good fit. However, the free plan does have its limitations. It lacks some of the more advanced features, such as timelines, portfolios, and custom fields. If you're managing complex projects or need more robust reporting, you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter, the paid plans. Asana offers several paid options, each catering to different needs and budgets. The first paid tier is the premium plan. This plan is designed for teams that need more advanced project management features. The premium plan includes everything in the free plan, plus timelines, advanced search, custom fields, forms, and guest access. Timelines are particularly useful for visualizing project schedules and dependencies. Custom fields allow you to track specific information relevant to your projects, and forms streamline data collection, making it easier to gather information from your team or clients. The pricing for the premium plan is typically based on a per-user, per-month basis. The exact price can vary depending on your region and whether you choose to pay monthly or annually. Paying annually often comes with a discount, so it's worth considering if you're planning to use Asana long-term. Next up, we have the business plan. This plan is aimed at teams that need even more advanced features, such as portfolios, workload management, and approvals. Portfolios allow you to track the progress of multiple projects at once. Workload management helps you ensure that your team members aren't overloaded. And approvals streamline the review process, making it easier to get feedback and sign-offs. The business plan also includes integrations with other popular tools, such as Salesforce and Adobe Creative Cloud. These integrations can save you time and effort by automating workflows and syncing data between different platforms. The pricing for the business plan is also based on a per-user, per-month basis and is, of course, more expensive than the premium plan. The additional features justify the price increase for larger teams that require more complex and interconnected workflows. Finally, Asana offers an enterprise plan. This plan is designed for large organizations that need advanced security, customization, and support. It includes features such as single sign-on, SSO, data export, and priority support. The enterprise plan is typically priced on a custom basis, so you'll need to contact Asana directly for a quote. Now, let's talk about some of the factors that can influence the cost of Asana. The number of users is a major factor. The more team members you have, the more you'll pay. The plan you choose is also a significant factor. The premium plan is less expensive than the business or enterprise plans, and whether you choose to pay monthly or annually can also affect the overall cost. It's also worth noting that Asana offers discounts for nonprofits and educational institutions. If you qualify, you may be able to get a significant discount on your subscription. So, how do you decide which plan is right for you? The answer depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a small team with basic project management needs, the free plan may be sufficient. If you need more advanced features, such as timelines and custom fields, the premium plan is a good option. If you need even more advanced features, such as portfolios and workload management, the business plan is worth considering. And if you're a large organization with complex security and customization needs, the enterprise plan is the way to go. Before you make a decision, it's a good idea to take advantage of Asana's free trial. This will allow you to test out the different features and see which plan is the best fit for your team. When considering costs, also remember to account for the potential return on investment. Asana can help you improve team productivity, streamline workflows, and reduce errors. These benefits can translate into significant cost savings in the long run. Don't forget to look at the overall value proposition. Asana is more than just a project management tool. It's a collaboration platform that can help you improve communication, transparency, and accountability within your team. The cost of Asana should be weighed against the value it brings to your organization. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.